Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Trayambakeshwara Realtors. Today we are going to visit an exciting property which is built in 150 square yards and face towards west. So this is the main door, guys. This is the false ceiling design in the car parking area. This is the car parking area. The car parking is bit small compared to all the houses which I have shown you previously. So these are the staircases to the terrace. The construction is still going ahead. And there is the wash area under the staircase. And there is a common washroom as well. As you can see, this is the common washroom under the staircase. It has an Indian style commode. This is the setback area to the right side of the house. So as I've said you, this is the car parking area. You can park one car and one two-wheeler vehicle. This is the setback area to the left side of the house. It's actually very spacious compared to the right side. So this is the main door, guys. Coming to this property, you'll be more excited because it's fully furnished and work is still going ahead. It'll be more amazing. So please do watch the full video. So this is the false ceiling design, guys, and there is an arch kind of thing to the dining area. All the windows and doors are made of pure teak wood, 100%. So yeah, guys, this is the dining area. That door is way to the back side. So these are the cabins in the dining area. It's fully furnished, guys. This is the puja room. Puja room is bit small, but yeah, it can be adjustable. So this is the kitchen, guys. These are the cabins under the kitchen platform. There is a window, good ventilation in the kitchen. There are more and more cabins in the kitchen. All are furnished. So these are the cupboards, guys. So yeah, now when it comes to the amenities, this house is in HMDA layout, so it has municipal water connection, underground drainage connection, and everything available. There are many good reputed schools ahead, and there are many fuel stations, banks, ATMs, etc. Everything are available nearby, and the location is Biramguda, Kukatpalli. So this is the false ceiling design in the master bedroom, guys. There is a low roof as well. The washroom is very spacious. It has western style commode and it's not placed yet. So actually the exciting thing is it has false ceiling in the washrooms as well. And guys, you want to contact me, there is no other way. So you can contact me through Instagram. I'll mention my Instagram ID in the description, so you can contact me through Instagram. So this is the common washroom, guys. It has Indian style commode. It is also very spacious. See, generally in bathrooms they'll be using different kind of doors which are not made of wood, but here we have used teak wood. So you can understand how qualified construction is this. And this is the children bedroom, guys. See, the doors are very amazing. So this is the mirror, guys. We have given mirrors in all the bedrooms. These are the cupboards in the children's bedroom, guys, and there is a window in the children's bedroom, so good ventilation. This is the false ceiling design in the children's bedroom, guys. So yeah, as I said I'll be mentioning my Instagram ID in the description, so you can contact me through Instagram. We are not a big team, so we are not able to respond to you everyone. This house is actually very fully furnished. As I said in the beginning of the video, you will be liking it very much. It is in HMDA layout, guys, as I mentioned you. It has all the amenities available. So this is the wash area in the back side. So there are two wash areas in the house, and one is in front of the house under the staircase, and one is behind the kitchen. So this is the bore connection, guys. The bore was digged into 750 square foot. It has plenty of water. Everything is available. So yeah, now this is the hall, guys, as I've shown you in the beginning of the video. Now let's go to the terrace, guys. I'll show you how spacious is the property and how the layout is looking. So these are the staircases to the terrace, guys. So yeah, as I said you in the beginning of the video, you'll be very excited when I reveal the price of this house. So first, let me show you the property, how spacious is, and how the layout or colony is. This is the terrace, guys. So as you can see, the property is very spacious. So as I said you, it's an HMDA layout. The constructions are yet to be happened. So this will be all filled in some months or years maybe. So yeah, it's time to reveal the price. The price of this house is just 54 lakhs. So you can contact me through Instagram. I will be mentioning my Instagram ID in the description. So I'll show you how the road is in front of the house. It has 30 feet widened road. So this is an HMDA layout. It's a venture. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. We'll get back to you tomorrow with an exciting property again.